and today we're going to work on comparing numbers. Okay, so this will probably be just a review for you because you guys probably got this. All right, here we go. Okay, so I have 3 symbols on my board today, and these are the symbols we use to compare numbers. This is the equal sign. So if they are the same, they are equal. And I would put this sign in between them. So when I have a number over here that is exactly the same as the number over here, they are equal. Okay? This is greater than. Okay? So this is how I remember it. This is like an alligator. And he's hungry, so he's going to eat the bigger number. So if I have a number over here, it's going to be bigger than my number over here. Okay? And if I read this, I would read it 10 is greater than 7. Okay, now over here, again, I have my alligator. Okay? He's still going to eat the bigger number. All right? And he is pointing to the smaller number. And this sign is called less than. So when I read this, I read 8, and since it's pointing to it, I say is less than 12. Okay? So equals, greater than, less than. Remember that open mouth needs to be towards the bigger number. Okay? And the point points to the smaller number. So let's practice a few. 6 and 9. Which way would the mouth be going? You're right, he's going to want to eat the 9. So the open mouth is to the 9 and I point to the 6. So I would read this, 6 is less than 9. Okay, let's try this one. 21 and 12. What comparison's going to go in the middle? My mouth is going to eat the 21. It's bigger. So when we read it, 21 is greater than 12. Good job. This one's a little different, and I think you guys have seen something like this before. You have to think about this one. So let's find out, what is 4 plus 1? 4, count one more. You're right, that's 5. 3, count 2 more. Or number neighbors, 3 plus 2. 2 is smaller, 2 plus 2 is 4. One more. You're right, 5. So what comparison are we going to put in there? You got it. Equals. 5 is equal to 5. Good job. All right, so the activity I have for you guys today is to make yourself a greater than, a less than, and an equal card. And then have your parents take M&Ms or pens or pencils or silverware or whatever you have in your house. And I want them, I'm just going to use index cards, to put some here and then to put a few over here. And I want you to take the card so you can see my cards. I made this in, I'm going to make this one pretty easy here so that you can just look and see what the right answer is. So I have this many cards over here, and I have this many cards over here. Okay, which one do I need to put? Greater than, less than, or equal? You're right, I would put my greater than card in between them. Okay, guys. I'm sure you're really good at greater than, less than, and equal to and comparing numbers, all right? So use my little card trick and practice some at home with your parents, all right? We'll see you tomorrow.